day in the wonderful life of the office of North Star, we do have a bird on the loose. The bird is still flying around floatlessly, and yet to be found.
Where is that little booger?
It was so scary.
Me and Pam were literally on his tail.
Terrified and running around in circles, causing mass chaos.
They were swooping at people. They were under their desks. It was this big.
If you do see it, please let somebody know so we can find this bird, trap it carefully, and let it release back into the wild. Have a good day, North Star.